Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on downloading Chrome on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up Safari from the dock and type google.com/Chrome into the search bar and hit enter. Click Download Chrome. Once it's downloaded, click on the download arrow in the top right of the page. Double-click on the download. On the pop-up, drag and drop the Chrome icon into the Applications folder. It is now installed. Click on the launchpad from the dock in order to find and open Chrome. Tap Open on the pop-up. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.